How to fix KB5063878 NDI streaming problem in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be experiencing NDI streaming performance issues after installing August 2025 security update on Windows 11 24H2. You can fix the problem by following the steps. Open NDI Launcher tool, click on Access Manager. If user account control appears, click on Yes. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Receive. From Receive Mode drop-down, select Single TCP. If UDP is given in the drop-down, you can select UDP also. Click on Apply and close the Access Manager. The issue should be solved. One more way to solve this problem, you can uninstall KB5063878 from your system, but it is less preferred option. Security updates are important for keeping your system secured and protected. But if you want to uninstall this security update, then click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Update History, and select Uninstall Updates over here. For the security update 5063878, click on Uninstall and click on Uninstall on this confirmation pop-up. After one or two restarts of the computer, the update will be installed and the issue will be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.